Everyone remember, six-figure army merch goes away when we hit 100,000 subscribers. Join the six-figure army today. Hey all! So, you've probably been following my M3 GTR build for a while. How I went from buying a 2006 E46 M3 at the age of 22 with about 50,000 miles on the clock. Over time, I have brought it back up to factory mechanical health. I repaired the SMG transmission, I updated it to CSL software so the shifting doesn't suck. It's got a prototype GT2 carbon airbox. We made it sound epic with 6-to-1 headers. And now, as we enter 2026, with me at the age of 27, the final stages of the BMW M3 GTR build are being completed. Connecting the car to the road is some special order wide X-Comp tires, wrapped snug around a custom set of Forged Club HF204 wheels. The car is now adorned in the 2M AutoWorks M3 GTR Chassis 006 replica kit, a brilliant one-to-one match to what was on the Stars and Stripes car. It's got a proper GTR carbon fiber wing, which is massive, and a fully functional side exhaust. Now, as the 6-to-1 headers have probably made it clear, I really care about sound. The exhaust on this car with the roar of the carbon airbox induction noise is immaculate. It is a true symphony. But to add a little icing to this cake, I also upgraded all the rear subframe and diff bushings with CMP solid ones, just to get some diff whine like on the real M3 GTR race cars. We've also upgraded the brake pads with carbon metallic ones. We installed a coilover suspension system. And to top it off, the 100K mile service was done. So we got Vanos done, we got rod bearings done, and rear subframe reinforcement done as well, so that the solid mounts don't split the car in half. The car also now has proper GTR hood vents, which is super cool. They were just installed into the OEM hood to ensure hood fitment is perfect. The whole thing is a work of art, and I can't wait to unveil it to you. I've reached out to a few people who have been awesome supporters of the project, and they have told me they would like to be there to collaborate when I fly down to California to do the unveiling. People such as Eric Choi, you may know him as Carbon-tastic. His contribution with the wheels from Forge Club was next level, and he is just an awesome member of the community. His channel is also definitely worth a watch and a subscribe. There's Jesse Iwuji, a really cool dude that I've been talking to for a while. His channel is called the R34 GTR. He also runs the VSpec Hub Instagram page. And well, we all love R34s, and he's all about them, and he's a passionate guy, which is why I like him. And he also has a clean R34 GTR himself. And then there's, of course, Van, aka Most Wanted GTR, the gentleman who owns the Need for Speed Most Wanted replica that uses the same kit as my car and is based in California. I definitely want to see our cars side by side. His car is a full painted livery, and he even managed to get NFSMW as his actual official Cali license plate. And if you see this, I'll just make it plain. Other creators are most definitely welcome to participate in the collaboration. I'm going to tour some of the Fast and the Furious 1 filming locations with the M3 GTR, and man, it's going to be epic. Right now, the car is pretty much put together and awaiting transport to Protective Film Solutions. I have already coordinated with Jason over there, who is a blast to talk to. I always feel bad because I'm a bit of a chatterbox when it comes to car stuff, and I try not to take up too much of his time, but there's only so much control I have. But this is it. It's almost done, boys. Huge moment for me and the channel. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button because you are not going to want to miss this. Cheers, everybody. Seek peace, and I'll see you all next time.